Imagine having a lighting solution that not only brightens up your outdoor spaces, but also saves you money on your electricity bills. That's where the CINOTON 26-watt LED wall pack light steps in. In this unboxing and review, we'll take a closer look at what this lighting fixture has to offer. Upon opening the box, you'll find a well-packaged LED wall pack light. The unit is compact and feels robust. It's evident from the start that this is a product designed to withstand outdoor elements. The CINOTON wall pack light comes with automated dusk to dawn photocell functionality. It turns off during daylight and switches on as darkness falls, ensuring you have light when you need it. With only 26-watt power consumption, this LED light is exceptionally energy efficient. You can expect up to a 70% reduction in your electricity bills. Despite its low power consumption, this light doesn't compromise on brightness. Its 30 LED bulbs provide 3,000 lumens of illumination, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from commercial and industrial settings to your home, garden, garage, yard, or even on the street. It boasts a lifespan of 50,000 hours, ensuring years of reliable service. You won't have to worry about frequent replacements. Installing this light is a breeze. It's compatible with standard 110-volt voltage, and the 3-wire setup, hot, neutral, ground, makes it straightforward to connect. You can mount it on a JBO X or directly on the wall.